In the deep reaches of the Echo Nebula lies Aethelis, a world where silence doesn't exist. Here nature doesn't just grow, it sings. Every leaf and stone is a living instrument. The whisperers have forgotten how to speak with words. They communicate through pure resonance. Even their homes are built from harmony. Their cities are cathedrals of light and sound. Their technology is fueled by the very air they breathe. A single whisper can power a city for a year. In Aethelis, to be silent is to be forgotten, but to whisper is to live forever.